Unlock delicious savings and make your next Uber Eats or even more satisfying by effortlessly using your Uber Cash. First, let's dive into managing your Uber Cash. Open your Uber Eats app and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your account menu, look for and select the payment option. This is where all your financial information and payment methods are managed. On the payment screen, you'll see your current Uber Cash balance clearly display. If you've earned rewards or purchased credits, they'll all be consolidated right here. Now, to apply your Uber Cash during an order, you don't need to do anything extra beforehand. It's automatically factored in when you check out. When you proceed to check out with your chosen meal, Uber Eats will automatically prompt you to use your available Uber Cash balance to reduce your order total. You'll see an option to apply your Uber Cash. Simply ensure this option is selected and watch as your Uber Cash balance is deducted from your order's final cost. If your Uber Cash covers the entire order, you're good to go. If there's a remaining balance, you can then choose from your other linked payment methods to cover the difference. Need to add more Uber Cash? You can do that directly from the payment section by tapping on Uber Cash and then selecting Add Funds. Here you can purchase credits in various denominations. Choose the amount that suits you best, and it will be instantly added to your Uber Cash balance, ready for your next delicious meal. So there you have it, a super simple way to save on your favorite foods. Happy ordering and enjoy the savings with Uber Cash.